Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of what's inside of this box. I got a package from R+Co, so if you guys want to see what is inside here, then keep watching. Before I get into the video, I just want to let you guys know that R+Co did send me these products for free. So thank you, R+Co, for sending me these. I'm very, very excited to try them all out. They emailed me and asked me if I wanted to be a part of their R+Co Love Collaborative. I think that's what it's called. So I did sign up and I got accepted. I don't have like a discount code with them or anything, so I'm really sorry about that. But if you guys want to try anything out, I will leave all the products listed down below and their prices on the screen. First thing I got is a little free sample with my order, and this is the Gemstone Color Shampoo and Conditioner. I know some people don't really love these samples, but I personally like to keep these in a little travel makeup bag that I always keep packed just because they're easy to travel with and they're, you know, one use and that's it. That's why I like to travel with them. This has chromohance, which locks in color for up to 10 washes, which sounds pretty cool. I do dye my hair, but I don't dye fun colors. I kind of want to do like a dark denim blue, like a black blue, but we'll see. So maybe if I do that, I'll try that with this because this sounds like it's more for fun colors, but I could be totally wrong. If you've tried this, let me know in the comments down below. Next up, we have the Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. These look really nice. So all their products are paraben and sulfate free, petroleum and mineral oil free, cruelty and vegan free, and they have UV protection. So this gives you everything you need for a small screen body shine and strengthening, softening and smoothing. And you just apply this to the roots and work through your hair to the ends, and this sounds really, really nice. I always need some body in my hair because it's just so pin straight. Can't really smell it. Watch, it has it. Oh, why? Okay, so I'm not gonna open it, but I'll let you guys know how I like it on Instagram. I really, really like the packaging. It's super fun. Next up, we have the Death Valley Dry Shampoo. I really like the packaging, and this just gives you the quickest way to get volume and body into your hair. Give your hair a little shot of Death Valley whenever you want, and it will liven right up. So that sounds really fun. So this sounds really nice. I'm always looking for a good dry shampoo that will add volume to the hair, so I will definitely be testing this out soon. And the last product is the High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. So this product just basically helps smooth and seal the hair and moisturize and softens and drowns out the frizz. Ooh, this sounds perfect for summertime. You can use this on towel dry hair or blow dry your hair, air dry your hair, and it doubles as a leave-in conditioner. So this sounds amazing. Absolutely love the packaging as well. I just think the like tie-dye vibes is so cool. Oh, it's like water actually, if you can tell on this side. But this sounds really, really good. I'm super, like, I think I'm really excited for this product because I don't know if you can tell, but my hair is super frizzy. So I will be putting it to the test ASAP. And that is it for this R+Co unboxing. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried out any of these products before and what you think of them, or let me know in the comments if you want to try these out and what you think of the products, because they all sound pretty good in my opinion. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. Definitely make sure you're following me on all my social media and you're leaving comments on my videos, because that is a way you can get a shout out in my next video. Just make sure you're following me on Twitter and you'll see tweets that say retweet for a shout out. So make sure you're retweeting my tweets. Or if you're following me on Instagram, I'll have things that say comment for a shout out or like a question on my caption or something like that. So make sure you're just paying attention there. or if you're just leaving a nice comments on my videos, that's why you can get a shout out too. This week's shout out is right here. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!